Welcome to the SEMA show. We are 715 Motorworks, the builders of the Troy Indy Special and Troy Roadster. Two different models built on a very similar platform, but there's a few different things that make them unique to themselves. For starters, we run full tube frame chassis. They are all aluminum bodies, pushrod independent coilover suspension, Willwood brakes, stainless exhaust, LS3 powered. They start at 430 horsepower and go all the way up to 525 horsepower. The full car completely done with full of fuel is 2,200 pounds. That gives us the power to weight ratio that puts us between a Lamborghini Aventador and right below a Bugatti Veyron. Full custom interiors. We love customizing cars with any options that any customers have dreamed up. Multiple different wheel choices. Dayton wire wheels, ET mags, slot mag, true knockoffs for both. The Indy Special is a limited build of 33 cars. However, both models are very limited as we build 4 cars a year. Thanks for stopping by.